आज क्या है तुम्हारा?
हाँ?
आज क्या है?
हैप्पी बर्थडे है।
किसका?
हम वो मेरा भाई है, उसका और मेरा।
जन्मदिन अंग्रेज हो गया तुम।
So today we are at Panikhati. It's a very special day because it's the birthday of my nephew Aristo and Arishmit. Almost we are 30 people together. We are just having fun and it's so beautiful, so wonderful place. Just look around. It is just we are at the bank of the river Brahmaputra and we're gonna cross this river also after some time with the boat. I don't know which boat we are taking, but I think probably that boat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Aristo. Happy birthday to you.
We have played football, we have played cricket, we have eaten our breakfast now. After lunch we will go to that side.
मेरा बॉल है।
We are gonna have lunch now. All are ready for the lunch.
So we are
मामा तुम्हें हाथ धुई लो, मैं भात दी आছো। सलाद चाहिए तुमको, मैं दे दूं सलाद। बाबा पेलावा।
ये इस जगह का नाम क्या है?
बार पानी।
पानी का जगह का नाम बोलो। क्या?
मैं कुछ भूल गया हूँ, नाम क्या था इसका? रुकिए 1 सेकेंड, अभी मैं आता हूँ। इसका नाम है खेत पानी।
इसका नाम है खेत पानी।
खेत पानी ना, पानी खाती। खेत पानी।
तुम अपना टैगलाइन बोलो।
And subscribe this video and comment down below.
What is the name of my channel?
Leave like